If you are new in my channel, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get the notifications of all my latest videos at first. So hello viewers, welcome back again in my new video. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you the pros of Gionee P7 Max. Here is the phone on my hand. It's the Gionee P7 Max. So without wasting any more time, I'm now going to tell you the pros. So first pros in this set is the design. The design of this set is very good compared to this price. It is shiny, glossy design. Although the back of the phone is made up of polycarbonate, not glass, but okay, very shiny device, very good looking also. But it gets scratched easily. You can see that one scratch is here. Then the second pros is the display. It has got a 5.5-inch HD plus display, which is very good. The quality of the display is good in this price point. Also the brightness of this device is good. You can see the full brightness of this device. It is good. And let me reduce the brightness first. Then the connectivity feature, it has got a dual 4G VoLTE with all other things like Wi-Fi, hotspot, Bluetooth, etc. Then the fourth is that the protection. Although the company had not mentioned the protection of glass, that which glass they used in this phone, but it's good because I dropped this phone many times, but it have not cracked. You can see the PDA is totally okay, but yes, the screen guard I applied on this phone, the glass screen guard, is cracked. You can see the lines also. Here you can see the crack. Then the fifth pros of this phone is the camera. The camera of this phone is not so good, but you can say that it's okay in this price point as compared to the other phone. The rear camera has many features like night mode, depth sensing, macro, then the portrait mode, then telephoto, time lapse. That's all. In the feature you are going to get in this rear mounted camera. So then here the front facing camera of 5 megapixel. It's okay, not so good. Then the next pros of this phone is the speaker. The speaker quality of this phone is very good because it has got a DTS speaker, digital sweater sound. First guys, let me remove this guard. You can see the cracks on the screen guard. So that's all the pros of this set, Gionee P7 Max. So if you are going to buy this set, then I think that it is help you. You can see how shiny the device is. So that's all in this video. If you are new channel, then do subscribe to my channel to get such kind of interesting videos, because I upload this kind of interesting videos. You can get 2 videos in a month, because I'm a student, so I need to study. So that's all in the video. If you enjoyed it, then give a like, and if you not enjoyed it, then give a dislike. But in both the cases, please subscribe my channel for such interesting videos. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.